Hello, I'll be demonstrating Team WoodRank's Sprint 3 presentation for the campus discovery system. Let me quickly show that we are checked into the Sprint 3 tag. There we go. Now, let me go ahead and launch the project. While the project's launching, I'll quickly recap what we did this sprint. We just added RSVPs, and we added RSVP lists for each event. So let's go log in as Professor Musaev's account, whose username is this, and password is CS2340. There we go. These are all the events that are currently registered onto the system. Let's go ahead and create one. Let's name it extra extra credit presentation. Description just that. Location can be Shallow 100, and date can be, let's do tomorrow's date at 3:45 p.m. Now guest capacity, let's set it to 20. That's how many people are allowed to RSVP to this event as attending. Access is default public, which means anyone can RSVP to this event, but we want to make it invite only. Only, let's say, Professor Musaev himself and my student account, whose username is nitty3, is allowed to register to this invite only event. That's why we put their names in the whitelist, which basically invites them to be able to register an RSVP. Let's go ahead and submit. Our event was created. Let's click on it and see that it shows the guest capacity, which is 20, and access is invite only. So if we try to RSVP as Musaev1, it will let us because we had invited ourselves and we are the host. Let's say Musaev is not going, so let's go ahead and submit that, and he will show up under the not going section right there. And now let's try to log in and RSVP as my student account. Let's log in. There we go. Extra credit presentation. RSVP. It lets me RSVP. Let's say I am going. And submit that, and there it is. I showed up under the going section. However, let's see what happens if we try to log in as an account that wasn't invited and RSVP. Let's go ahead and log in as Buzz, whose username was this, and password was Storm. So if we try to RSVP to this event that was invite only and the Buzz account was not invited, it says that this event is invite only and it's restricted to certain users, and we weren't invited basically. So that's too bad, too sad. Next, let's try to RSVP to one-on-one tutoring. We see that the guest capacity is 1. Access is public, which means anyone can RSVP to this. But since the guest capacity is only 1 person and there's already 1 person attending, if we try to RSVP, it says that the event is full and we can't actually RSVP to attend this event. Now, if we try to, let's say, RSVP to Thanksgiving break, let's RSVP as not going. Buzz isn't getting a break. He or she will show up under the not going section. Everyone that has RSVP'd will show up in this section down here under the button, and they all show up in their respective RSVP status categories. So as we can see, 2 people are not going, and those are admin and Buzz. 1 person is going, who's Professor Musaev, or no, he's maybe going. I'm sorry about that. And me, my main account is actually going, so 1 over there. We can go ahead and actually remove the RSVP that Buzz just created. Boom, and Buzz has now disappeared from the RSVP list, and total RSVPs has gone down to 3. Let's RSVP again actually as maybe going. submit. There we go. Buzz has showed up under maybe going, and total number of RSVPs has gone up to 4. However, the number of people attending is still 1 because maybe and not going categories don't count towards the number of people attending. Only the confirmed going category people count towards attending. So if we edit our RSVP to going, there we go. Buzz has moved on to the going RSVP status, and the number of people attending has also gone up from 1 to 2. Let's exit out of this and log in to the Gottech account. So username was Gottech and password was Buzz. Gottech is the host of this Thanksgiving break event. So if we click on it, we are actually able to hover over each individual's name and remove them from the RSVP list. So let's say, nah, Buzz isn't getting a break. Let's remove Buzz. And Buzz, his RSVP has been removed. Only 1 person's attending and 3 total RSVPs. Let's say, you know what, no one gets a break on the campus. We can remove this student, and now there's no one attending, and only 2 people have RSVP'd as maybe and not going. However, if we try to log in as another account that does not own this event, I can't actually hover over people's names and remove them. Only the host of that account can remove individuals from their RSVPs. That'll be all, I think. Thank you for watching. Let's log out.